Hey everybody, what's going on? Today you're going to be hanging out with me today. I had this tailgate latch with, and to do that I had to access these bolts to replace the tailgate latch. And to do that, you gotta go on the back of this and, take it off. And
so you're taking off you're going to take off this access panel to do that?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you do it yourself?
Yeah.
You do it yourself?
Uh-huh.
All right, well, it's all on you. This is your pickup, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
Mazda.
Oh, Mazda B2200.
Yeah.
Right. Here's your tools. Go for it. Have fun.
Yeah.
I'm going in the house. Let me know if you need any help.
Okay. Okay, everybody, but we have to get on these two right here, right there, yeah. And then do whatever. Okay. Now, ice me. Set your Ooh, we're close, everybody. Gosh dang, these things are rusty. Guys, I'm gonna go get some oil. Just wait a minute. I really like it.
Let me see what we got.
Do you want to go up to the shop and get some oil?
It's a tough little dude, isn't it? Let's do this instead here. Now we can give ourselves more leverage. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you're right though. It needs a little bit of
Friction oil.
How about water displacement 40, huh?
Yeah.
WD 40.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna let you pull that panel off so you can see what it looks like in there. All right, go ahead.
No, just pull it.
Yep, just pull it straight up.
Yeah.
All right.
That's cool.
Pick it up, move it aside.
Shot.
I'll take it.
There we go. Okay. So right here, we need to replace this.
Where's them bolts you were wanting to get?
Huh?
Where are those bolts that you were needing to get to? These right here?
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're right here.
There you go. Good job. Okay. All right. So here we got our little plastic clips, and these are really cool to do. These clips hold this rod in, this control rod here.
Yep.
And to take them off, you just do this. It's that simple.
It's a little stuck.
All right, you try that one.
So, this.
Yep, there you go. And lift the rod up.
This.
There you go. It's okay, just let it set to the side. Now, pull those 2 bolts. There we go.
Now we connect it like
What are you doing, Cat?
Muffin! Jeez, what the f—
Counterclockwise.
Oh, counterclockwise. So,
Did you break it loose for you?
yeah, it's not counterclockwise.
Goodness, that was tight. There you go, it should counterclockwise now. You're in the way, Cat. Go. Alright, I'll take it off. Alright, I'll take it on out.
How do we take it out? Oh, there we go.
You just kind of finagle it out of there.
Oh. Hold on. Yeah, it's not. Jeez.
Gotta get a little rough with it, looks like.
So this was like.
There you go.
So this was like opening it?
Yeah, when we pull those 2 rods. Oh, now you done it. Now you done it. Get it. Mufasa's gonna get it for you. All right, put it over there.
Okay, put it right here.
All right. Okay. Now finish pulling it out the rest of the way.
Okay.
Looks like you're hung up right there.
Yeah.
Move that control rod out of the way. There it is. There's
Look at this old thing.
This is the old junk one from probably factory equipment from '88.
So this is the brand new one.
All nice
It's
and
nice,
shiny new. All right, now we'll just tuck this up in there, just like the old one was.
We probably need to replace these two. Because
Look how easy that went in.
Nice.
Foster, what are you doing? You're in the brick. Tickle, 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 tickle. You didn't like?
Zach.
I don't think you liked that. So you got to scratch here, and you got to scratch here. Just go ahead and lay it down. All right. Now before you get any of these tight, you want to put them all in a few turns, but don't get them tight yet because they'll need to move.
Okay.
So go ahead and get one started. Don't get them tight, just get them all in and then you can tighten them down.
Okay. Get him! was right here. Okay. Now we gotta get all these in. So, okay, there we go. I should put that on all the way. But he can't know. Okay. Oh my gosh. I keep twisting it counterclockwise. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm right-handed. I know I just said that. I had no idea what I'm doing. Okay, everybody, so we're almost halfway done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7 screws to get on. Dang! We're halfway done. 3 plus screws to get on. I'm gonna add a 6, 7 beam on the top of the screen. That'll be like 6, 7. Okay. Now we're trying to finish 4 more screws, and I might cut the tailgate. I'm just kidding. I would never do such a thing. You know? You know? Yeah. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now let's finish up these ones, and we will be done. We might go for a test drive, and then for 10 we're loading stuff up. Okay. Am I missing one screw? There's supposed to be 2 more screws. Oh, I forgot. That screw doesn't have one. I feel bad for it now. Why did I say that? Okay, one more screw left. Just 6, 7 in the comments, please. My dad's gonna go crazy. Bunch of shooting happens in Stafford. Pickup. That right there is my pickup. See it? Okay, but we're not here for that truck. Wait, that truck. We're here for my beautiful girl. Smokey Joe. He's not, she's not, ooh, he's not a girl. He's a man. I don't know what I'm doing, but my dad's not here, so. And my dad's not here. My rule. Okay, but. Yeah. Let's get to it. Okay. One more screw in. No, I actually got the screw in. Okay, fine. Let's try this up. Let's get it. Okay, so next day we got it finished. You want to see?
Did you get it done? Let's see. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, it opens so nice.
And now it's closing.
Yeah. It opens and closes so nice. Do that again. Let me see that. I don't think it's ever opened that nice.
It's heavy though.
It's a heavy tailgate, isn't it? Well, good job, sis. Give me some. Ooh. Do it again.
Hold up.
Dap me up.
Just this.
What a dap. All right. Well, nice job, Rory. I think the next thing we got to do too is throw some front brakes on it whenever we get a chance. You gonna do that too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, sis.
Thanks.